Hello and welcome to Quick Tips 2. Today I'm going to show you how to connect your BIGGERFIVE Kids Fitness Tracker to the VeryFitPro app. First, download and install the VeryFitPro app, so go to playstore and type VeryFitPro in the search box. Then tap Install. It will take a few seconds for the app to be installed. Once done, open the app. Swipe towards the left twice, then tap Use Now. Then tap Agree. You will need to enable Bluetooth to allow the VeryFitPro app to connect to the device, so tap Confirm. Now allow the app to make your phone visible to other Bluetooth devices for 120 seconds. Now allow the app to access your device's location. Your device will now start pairing. Now turn on and keep sliding the bracelet screen of your BIGGERFIVE Fitness Tracker screen until your phone detects it. Once detected, select your BIGGERFIVE Fitness Tracker from the list. Then tap Confirm Bind Device. Select your gender, then tap Next. Add your birth year, then tap Next. Put your height in feet or in centimeters, then tap Next. Insert your weight in pounds, kilograms or stones, then tap Next. You can now add your steps target per day by swiping left and right. You can also set your sleep target by swiping left and right. Then tap Next. I don't want my fitness tracker to access my files and photos, so I will select Deny. All set! Your BIGGERFIVE Fitness Tracker is now connected to your phone. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get the latest tips and tricks on the latest technologies.